What if I told you that the universe, in all its silent, sprawling majesty, became subtly aware? And what if I told you it did so ... through you? It sounds like something straight out of science fiction, doesn't it? But stick with me, because this idea is older than you might think, and it has the power to change how you see everything, including yourself. Let's start with a simple, yet mind-blowing fact. Every single atom in your body, the very stuff you're made of, the carbon, the nitrogen, the oxygen, the iron in your blood, was forged in the heart of a dying star, billions of years ago. Before there was an Earth, before there was a sun, these atoms floated through the dark, cold silence of space. They were stardust. And now, after an incredible journey spanning eons, those very same atoms have assembled into you. They form your hands, your eyes, your brain. And with those eyes, you look up at the night sky, at the distant, twinkling stars, and you wonder. You wonder where you came from. You wonder what it's all about. Isn't that incredible? The universe, in the form of you, is looking back at itself, trying to understand its own origins. Think about that for a moment. You are not just living in the universe. You are the universe, experiencing itself. The great astronomer Carl Sagan famously said, "We are a way for the cosmos to know itself." It's a profound thought. The silent dust of the cosmos, which for billions of years had no voice, no thoughts, no awareness, has now, through the miracle of life, become conscious. It has woken up, and it's asking questions. This idea of a deep, intrinsic connection between ourselves and the cosmos isn't just a modern scientific concept. It echoes through ancient wisdom and spiritual traditions across the world. The Quran, for example, beautifully states, "We will show them our signs in the horizons and within themselves, until it becomes clear to them that it is the truth." Let's break that down. Signs in the horizons, that's the vast, external universe. The galaxies, the nebulae, the dance of planets, the laws of physics that govern everything from a falling apple to a black hole. We study these things with telescopes and particle accelerators, constantly peeling back layers of reality, marveling at the order and complexity of it all. Each discovery, from the expansion of the universe to the bizarre world of quantum mechanics, is a sign, a clue pointing to a deeper reality. But then there's the second part. Signs, ... within themselves, this is where it gets truly personal. This is the inner universe. The universe of consciousness, of thought, of emotion, of love, of awe. Where does that come from? You can't find consciousness with a telescope. You can't weigh a feeling or measure the color of a thought. And yet, it's the most real thing we know. Our entire experience of reality is filtered through this mysterious lens of awareness. Maybe that's the ultimate sign. Maybe consciousness itself is the universe finally awakening. It's the cosmos developing an eye to see its own beauty, a mind to comprehend its own vastness, and a heart to feel awe at its own existence. Perhaps our awareness is a reflection of a greater, universal consciousness, a sliver of infinity that's been hidden inside the finite human heart, waiting to be discovered. When you feel a sense of wonder looking at a sunset, is that just you? Or is it the universe, through you, appreciating its own artistry? When you feel love for another person, is that just a chemical reaction in your brain? Or is it the universe experiencing its fundamental nature, which is connection and unity? This perspective changes everything. The challenges you face, the joys you experience, they're not just your own personal story. They are part of a cosmic drama. The atoms that make up your tears of sadness once drifted near Orion. The atoms that vibrate with your laughter were once forged in a supernova. You are a microcosm of the macrocosm. Everything that exists out there also exists, in some form, within you. The ancient mystics and philosophers understood this. The inscription at the Temple of Apollo at Delphi read, "Know thyself." But this was never just about knowing your personality quirks or your likes and dislikes. It was a call to a much deeper form of inquiry. To know yourself, in the deepest sense, is to understand your connection to all that is. It has to realize that the boundary between you and the universe is not as solid as you think. When you look in the mirror, what do you see? You see a person. But look deeper. See the stardust. See the long chain of evolution stretching back billions of years. See the same fundamental energy that powers the sun. See the mystery of awareness looking back at you. You are a living, breathing, thinking piece of the cosmos that has been given the incredible gift of self. So the next time you look up at the night sky, and the stars seem so distant and far away, remember this: they are made of the same light that is in you. The same elemental forces that govern their fiery dance are at play within your very cells. You are not separate from them. You are a continuation of them. You are their legacy. You are their consciousness. The journey of the universe is a journey from simplicity to complexity, from dust to life, from silence to song. And the journey of a human life mirrors that. It's a journey from ignorance to understanding, from separation to connection, from looking for answers outside to finding them within. To know yourself is to know the universe. And to know the universe, to truly appreciate its wonder and its mystery, is to come face to face with the source of it all. It is to know the one who made both the horizons and the self, the stars and the soul that wonders at them. You are not just a spectator in this cosmic play. You are a central character, the universe's own attempt to understand itself, and in doing so, to understand its creator. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey through inner and outer space. If this resonated with you, please hit that like button and subscribe for more explorations into the big questions of life. I'd love to read your thoughts in the comments below. What does this idea mean to you? Until next time, keep looking up and keep looking in.